I just don't see the point sometimes.
Sam, what's wrong?
Everything feels hard. Work is stressful. The days feel long. I wake up tired and I go to sleep tired.
That sounds exhausting.
It is. And I look at some people and they just seem fine. Happy even. How?
I think it's not about what happens to them. It's about how they talk about it.
What do you mean?
The words we use about our lives actually change how we feel about them. And today, I want to show you the English phrases that positive people use every single day.
Phrases that make you more positive?
Phrases that positive people actually say. Real sentences. And by the end of this conversation, I think you'll feel a little better.
I hope so.
Welcome to Talk and Learn English. I'm Lily.
And I'm Sam. Let's talk.
Let's start from the beginning of the day. How do you usually wake up, Sam?
Honestly? Not again. That's my first thought every morning.
Okay, that's honest. Now, what do positive people say instead?
Something more cheerful?
Not necessarily cheerful, just forward-looking. Things like, today is a fresh start, or let's see what today brings.
Let's see what today brings. That doesn't commit to anything. It's just open.
Exactly. You're not saying, today will be amazing, because maybe it won't. You're just saying, I'm open to it.
What about, I'll do my best today?
Beautiful, simple, and honest. And one more. One day at a time.
One day at a time. I've heard that before. It means, don't worry about tomorrow?
Exactly. Focus on today. Just today. That's enough.
One day at a time. I think I needed to hear that.
Now, something goes wrong during the day. How do positive people react?
Not with, this is a disaster, I assume.
No. They say things like, it is what it is.
It is what it is. Meaning, I can't change it, so I accept it?
Exactly. It's not giving up, it's being realistic. And then they move forward with something like, let's figure this out, or we'll find a way.
We'll find a way. That's actually comforting.
It is, because it doesn't say the problem is small. It says we're bigger than the problem.
What about when something really upsets you?
I'm having a tough moment, but it will pass.
It will pass. Everything passes.
Everything passes. And one more. This is hard, but I've handled hard things before.
That one hits differently.
Because it's true. For everyone listening right now, you've handled hard things before, and you're still here. Positivity isn't just about yourself. It's also about how you talk about other people.
Like not complaining about them?
Not just that, actively appreciating them. Things like, I really appreciate you, or you made a difference today.
You made a difference today. That's powerful for such a simple sentence.
3 words can change someone's whole day. And when someone helps you,
I couldn't have done it without you.
beautiful. Or more casually, you're a lifesaver.
You're a lifesaver. I love that one.
And when you want to encourage someone who's struggling,
You've got this.
perfect. Short, warm, powerful. Or, I believe in you, which sounds simple but means everything when someone needs to hear it.
I think I need to say these things more. To people around me.
Most of us do. We think kind things about people, but we don't say them out loud.
We should say them out loud more.
We really should. Last section. Ending the day. What do positive people say before they sleep?
Not, finally this terrible day is over?
No. They reflect. Something like, today wasn't perfect, but I'm grateful for.
And then they finish the sentence with something specific?
Exactly. Not just, I'm grateful, but I'm grateful for the coffee this morning, or I'm grateful for that conversation with my friend.
Specific things, small things.
The small things are actually the big things. And another one. I did my best today. That's enough.
That's enough. That's really hard to believe sometimes.
I know, but it's true. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going.
You know what, Lily? I feel a little better than I did at the beginning of this episode.
I noticed. And do you know what changed?
The words?
The words. You started with, I don't see the point. And now you're saying, I feel a little better. Same person, different words, different feeling.
The words we use really do change how we feel.
That's the whole lesson. Right there. Let's recap the phrases from today.
Starting the day. Let's see what today brings. I'll do my best. One day at a time.
Difficult moments. It is what it is. We'll find a way. This is hard, but it will pass.
Other people. You made a difference today. You're a lifesaver. You've got this.
Ending the day. I'm grateful for. I did my best today. That's enough.
Small phrases, big difference.
That's all for today.
If this helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Talk and Learn English.
And share it with someone who needs to hear these words today.
Tell us in the comments, which phrase are you going to use tomorrow?
We read every single one.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. And remember, one day at a time.